Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Debbie, Deborah, Debbie, whatever you want to call me. I said Debbie twice, Deborah. And today I'm going to try and make all the slime textures I can. We've been seeing slime trend on TikTok, and I think it's about time that the person that used to make slime when I was young, but it always failed. I think it's about time that I redeem myself and I try and make slime. Also, my skin doesn't look the best right now, but we move. Also, outfit check. If you didn't know, every single video I do outfit checks. This is my style. I think it's my signature thing. I always put bandana. I have these baggy jeans. This top. I'll show you like another. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Before anything, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below what slime was your favourite. And okay, so I've seen people make it on a plate, and yes, I'm on a bed. Okay guys, so first things first for this, I'm not going to add any colouring because I want to make a bunch. But I got this package from Etsy that has my activator in. We have the activator, and they also gave me a sweet I'm definitely not going to eat for many reasons. So we're going to take the wrist and we're going to put this on here. Let's just do like that much. I'm feeling very confident about it. This is the activator. A few sprays should do it. I'm mixing it right here. I feel again thicker. More. Sorry, Mom, that I'm making slime on the bed. Oh, okay. I have baby oil and everything, but I just want to make a basic slime. Okay, this is actually so dumb of me. Wait, hold up. This is very, very dumb. Okay guys, so I just finished making that slime. It's giving milk, it's giving glossy, it's giving bathroom sink, it's giving clean girl slime. Tomorrow I'm aiming to make fluffy. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I have my shaving foam, but this is a container I want to make the slime in. I'm going to try and make the slime. Okay, so it's the next day. I have my shaving foam, but this is a container I want to make the slime in. I'm going to try and make the slime. 'Cause We'll just add it until it, you know, just coats the bottom. So now I'm gonna add, what colour slime do I want to make? I want to make blue. Oh, is that a lot? To be honest, it doesn't even matter if it's a lot, because we're gonna so I'm shaking the shaving foam right now. Okay. Shaving foam makes stuff activate quicker. Guys, I added shaving foam to it. I have right here is clay, and I'm going to be making a butter slime today. I have my glue activator container and this. Okay guys, so I have just my basic white slime. I'll blend it on my desk. Okay guys, so I think I have activated it enough. I mean, I'm gonna add a tiny bit, one last spray. Well, that was two, but I'll activate it a bit more. Another is like, I have a basic, you know, white slime. I'm gonna add my cute clay to it. Do you see that? Oh, that's a very nice texture. Wow. If I get 200 plus views, then I will give away a slime of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below what slime you would like, and I'll see if I can send it to you.